Selling your inherited property in Tampa, Florida, to a cash home buyer is a quick and easy process. With no need for costly repairs or a traditional real estate agent, you can sell your property quickly and for a fair cash price. Step 1. Understand the benefits. There are many advantages to selling your inherited property for cash. Here are just a few. Quick sale. You can close on the sale of your property in as little as 7 days. No repairs. Cash home buyers will buy your property in any condition, so you don't have to worry about making any costly repairs. Simple process. Selling to a cash home buyer is a straightforward process with no hidden fees or commissions. Step 2. Connect with cash home buyers. Once you've decided to sell your inherited property for cash, the next step is to connect with reputable cash home buyers in Tampa. There are a number of ways to do this, such as getting in touch directly with us, searching online, or asking for referrals from friends and family. Step 3. Accept the offer. Once you've received a fair cash offer from a reputable cash home buyer, you can decide whether or not to accept it. If you accept the offer, closings can be done as fast as 7 business days. Step 4. Complete legal formalities. Your chosen cash home buyer will work with you to complete all necessary legal paperwork, such as the deed of sale and closing documents. Step 5. Seal the deal. Once all of the legal paperwork has been completed, you can celebrate the successful sale of your inherited property. Simply hand over the keys to the new owner, and you're all done. Conclusion. Selling your inherited property in Tampa, Florida to a cash home buyer is a stress-free experience. With a quick and easy process, you can quickly sell your property for a fair cash price. If you're ready to sell your inherited property in Tampa, Florida for cash, contact our team of experienced cash home buyers today. We're here to make the process simple and efficient